Hello, I am Shorek Urbani from Project Control Academy, and today I have the honor of speaking with John McDowell from, I will let him introduce himself and the fantastic solution they provide. First of all, thank you so much, John, for accepting this call, and we are honored to learn more about the solution that you offer.
Absolutely. Thank you for the opportunity. So I'm John McDowell. I'm the Senior Client Director with VEERUM. VEERUM is about a 9-year-old organization out of Calgary, Canada. We specialize in digital project management, and specifically digital project monitoring, all the way from the design and engineering phase through construction and steel erection, all the way into operational turnover. We specialize in certain areas, manufacturing, it could be traditional, chemical. Mining is a very powerful area that we focus on. Oil and gas, both onshore and offshore and subsea. We also focus in the mining and chemical area as well.
Fantastic. So I had the honor of learning more about the tool, and I was very impressed with the capabilities of the tool that you provide. So would you mind giving us some insights on the solution that you offer? Like, I noticed that the visualization is something that's really everyone is looking after, and that's a solution you provide, especially with the visualization in 3D and 4D. So can you shed more light on really what this distinguishes from other things out there and why people should consider?
Yeah, absolutely. So again, we are about 9 years old. We got our start out of Calgary. Our co-founder actually came from the industry. We're a company that is built around the industry. I would say boots on the ground with hands-on experience. Our co-founder was a mega project director over in the Middle East on large oil and gas facilities. And some of the challenges he was facing were issues around on time, on budget, and especially quality delivery of the various steps of the project. So he got together with a couple of software specialists, and they developed the VEERUM platform. And today we have 2 versions of the platform. One is VEERUM Construct, so it's designed for new construction and brownfield turnaround projects. The other is VEERUM Maintain, which is used for daily operations around maintenance planning and maintenance scheduling. What makes us a little different in the industry is we're fully cloud-based, so there's no software to buy, there's no IT hardware to purchase or manage, there's no apps to download. It's fully cloud-based. Per project, we give unlimited access and unlimited data to those that are involved in the success of that project. So that could be third-party design firms, engineering firms, the EPC itself, and certainly the asset owner. In a nutshell, we want to give access to anyone that's involved in the success of that project. It's a very scalable, lightweight viewer. We pull in all of the digital 3D, 4D scanning, LiDAR, all of that, and then we layer in the metadata on top of it.
And you also mentioned about the challenge with the on-time and on-budget completion. What has been the efforts that has been made toward that, and how do you integrate your solution with the schedule and also with the cost of the project?
Absolutely, great question. So VEERUM is a platform, we're not a software. So what we do is pull in all types of data sets, whether it's Bentley, Hexagon, Aviva, SAP. For asset maintenance, it could be Infor, it could be Maximo. We pull in all of the data sets and harmonize all of those together to give the user experience one viewing point, one version of the truth, no matter where they are in the world.
Fantastic. And I see kind of a lot of visualization here. So what type of reporting and visualization you also offer here?
Yep, absolutely. Great question. So as you can see here, this is a digital verification platform. This is a piping skid. What we're seeing here are variance tolerance levels. We've got green, which is installed and in tolerance, so the quality checked. You've got yellow, which is installed but out of tolerance. There needs to be some adjustments made. Then you've got red, which is based on the design. It is not installed and not in place just yet, so that's still to be work in process.
And how do you integrate that with the schedule? You earlier mentioned that you also have the capability of integrating your solution with the schedule. So tell us a little bit more about that capability.
Yeah, absolutely. So again, we're not a software. We're not there to compete with other data sources or software.
Yeah.
We pull in and layer in the schedule, the CAD drawings, any type
Everything
of.
pulled together.
Yeah, we pull it all in
bonding.
together, and
Yeah.
now we're comparing what was scheduled versus what is reality.
Fantastic.
Absolutely.
In 3D, right?
In 3D, absolutely.
Okay, and how about the cost? The cost is also connected with different platforms that you have, and then you have visual analytics that you will go through the cost of the project?
Yeah, so the way we price this out, and it can be one of two ways. It can be an enterprise agreement for multiple assets around the world, or it can be based on a project. For a project, you give unlimited data, unlimited users, everyone, including third party, to the scope of that project. If you've got various assets around the world that are fully operational, then we would agree on an enterprise-wide agreement that would give you unlimited access for all of your assets.
Fantastic. And another question, what new advancements have you been recently working on in your platform?
Sure. So there are a lot of visualization tools on the marketplace today. What we do is we've developed a lightweight, very robust, highly scalable platform that can be deployed in 60 hours or less. We layer in the metadata on top of this, and now we have enabled web VR capabilities. So you throw on Google Glass or web VR enabled glass, and now you're truly on site without having to go to that site.
Fantastic. That's amazing. So now we talk about all the good stuff. So how about some of the main challenges that you see in our industry and what you have been working on to resolve some of the challenges?
Yeah, great question. So we are often asked, where's my data? Can I trust my data? And the reason is because in operations today, whether it's construction or full operations, many companies are working through a multitude of systems. Again, it could be SAP or Oracle, it could be Aviva, Maximo, IBM. It doesn't matter. So you're working from multiple data sets. What we do to eliminate that challenge is we integrate and we harmonize all of those data sets for one single version of the truth.
Fantastic. That's amazing. Thank you so much for showing us the capabilities of the tool. One last question. If someone wants to learn more about this, where they need to go or who they contact?
Yeah, they could reach out to me directly. Again, my name is John McDowell, and I could provide my email, which is firstname.lastname@VEERUM, that's VEERUM.com, or you could call or text me directly. My telephone number is 214-243-3375.
Fantastic. And what's the website that if someone wants to explore further?
Yep, absolutely. It's www.veerum, that's VEERUM.com.
Fantastic. Thank you for your time, John. I appreciate it. Thank you
Appreciate the
so much.
opportunity.
Thank you.